Understanding the phrase, packing the car. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a common English phrase, packing the car. This phrase is often used in everyday conversations, especially when planning trips or outings. By the end of this video, you'll understand not just what it means, but also how to use it in different contexts. So, let's get started. Packing the car refers to the process of loading luggage, bags, or other items into a car. This is a routine activity done before going on a trip, attending an event, or transporting items. The phrase emphasizes the organizational aspect. It's not just about placing items in the car, but doing so in a way that maximizes space and ensures the safety of the items during transit. To better understand packing the car, let's look at some examples. Preparing for a vacation, we need to start packing the car early tomorrow morning to beat the traffic. Going to a picnic, can you help me pack the car with the picnic basket and blankets? Moving items, we spent the whole afternoon packing the car with boxes for the charity drive. These examples show the versatility of the phrase in various situations. 1. Plan ahead. Make a list of items you need to pack. 2. Prioritize safety. Place heavy items at the bottom and ensure they won't shift during the drive. 3. Utilize space. Use every available space wisely, but don't block the driver's view. 4. Accessibility. Keep essential items like snacks or first aid kits within easy reach. Remember, efficient packing can make your journey more comfortable and stress-free. In different cultures, packing the car might involve various rituals or traditions, especially during holidays or family gatherings. It often symbolizes the beginning of a journey or a transition from preparation to action. Understanding this can give you insight into the cultural nuances of English-speaking countries. That's all for today on Packing the Car. I hope this video helps you grasp not just the phrase but the practical and cultural aspects surrounding it. Whether you're preparing for a trip or just curious about English expressions, remember that language learning is a journey itself. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.